Yo, what's up, comrades? It's your boy Steve the Rapper here. And thank God, it's December! I'm really worried because it's the last month of the year. I'm really sorry to see 2018 go. But who cares? I'm here with another video. I've created a new series called How To, and there's gonna be new episodes every Saturday, 4 to 6 p.m. Central. But anyway, let's get this party started. Here is how to make tomato sauce. Okay, once again, this is a new series, so you might not know much about it, but there will be some steps, just like in a real how-to guide. So step 1, go to Stop and Shop, or go to any store closer to you, whatever. I just recommend Stop and Shop. Step 2, buy some tomatoes, any type of tomatoes, because you can make any type of tomato sauce. Yeah, whatever. Step 3, buy the ingredients required for the tomato sauce. Step 4, pay for it. Step 5, get a bag. Step 6, go home. Step 7, use the ingredients required for the tomato sauce, including a bunch of tomatoes. Step 8, mix them all the ingredients. Step 9, put the tomato sauce in the cup or any type of thing that holds the tomato sauce. Step 10, find the lid. Step 11, put the lid in the cup if you can. Now you've got the tomato sauce. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this episode. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe. Comment what I should teach you how to do next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.